Today on Cold Email Teardowns, we're going into the inbox to create an outbound marketing campaign for selling content writing to tech companies. Stick around. We've been digging through our spam boxes. We've been asking you guys if you had cold emails for feedback, and you have delivered. Today, we have an email from Isaac where he is selling content writing to tech companies. So, if you don't know, I am the cold email king. We've sent millions of cold emails, generated $100 million in leads for our businesses. I actually used to be the CMO at a $1 million a month lead generation company, and now run X27 and a suite of software projects that are all growing using cold email. So let's take that expertise and see what we can do for Isaac here. But before I show you this email, before I get into this, just make sure that you like this video to encourage this type of content on YouTube. It really helps. Like this video. Comment down below. What's your favorite thing about cold email? Let me know. Would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, let's look at this email. Subject. Hey Alex, quick question. Do you want to increase X27marketing.com's traffic and conversion rate? If yes, then I think you would love to know a simple blog can do this and more. Did you know that websites with blogs have a 6x conversion rate than those without blogs? So I'm a freelance consumer tech writer, and I would love to help your website achieve this and far more. Can I get a few minutes of your time to talk more about this? Here's a link to my calendar. Just select any time that works best for you. Here's a link to my portfolio. Thanks so much. Off the bat, X27marketing.com has a blog. So first off, X27 has a blog. So what is he talking about? If yes, then I think you would love to know a simple blog can do this and much more. So he needs to improve his lead generation process. But that all starts with honing in on the basics. So let's do that. 3 things to think about. Who is the target? What is the offer? And what is the case study? And if we have those 3 things, we'll be able to write a high converting email. So the target. Is it major corporations that have no blogs? First of all, I would not, from a business strategy point of view, I would not recommend doing that. I would rather target companies that have blogs and then pitch either improved content or backlinking or some other thing. There's a reason why they don't have a simple blog, as you call it. I also wouldn't say a simple blog because that, to me, sounds very cheap. And like, let's say I'm like any company, even X27. Why would I want a simple blog? I would want a blog done by an expert. No company wants simple anything. So who's the target audience for this? Tech companies. So who is the target job title for tech companies? Probably the CMO. So you're a freelance consumer tech writer. Great. Offer. Freelance consumer tech writing. Good. And then the case study, you say you're a freelance consumer tech writer, but you need to show that somehow. And here's a link to his portfolio. Maybe we can do this for him. Here are 4 awesome things your smartphone might look like or do by 2030. I'm already out. Quality of content's not worth hiring. So your case study is going to be recently published an article to Entrepreneur that was the top tech post of the day. And if you know what you're doing, you 1 should be able to get an article on Entrepreneur, and 2, you should be able to get that article to be the top tech post of the day, drive some traffic, make it happen. You deserve, be better is all I'm saying. Like, come on, what are you doing? What are you doing, Isaac, specifically? You dumbass. Sorry. Just kidding, Isaac, you're fine. You know, you're not of the quality to be a professional writer yet, but that's okay. Target. Tech companies, CMOs, offer freelance consumer tech writing. Case study, recently published an article to Entrepreneur that was the top tech post of the day. Now, we have enough information to write a high converting cold email. Typically, our cold emails follow the 3 C's. Those 3 C's are compliment, case study, call to action. So let's write an email that follows the 3 C's for Isaac. This subject line, hey Alex, quick question, works. So let's start with a hi. Hey Nancy, quick question. Hi Nancy, been following. So let's use an example of a tech company. This is Ring. They were just sold to Amazon for $2 billion, and they do have a blog. Perfect. Ring alarm helps stop a break-in. Great. So now we know the type of content. that they post on their blog. They do have a blog, so let's go for it. Hey Nancy, been following Ring for a while. Congrats on the acquisition. I'm a freelance consumer tech writer, and I would love to write for the Ring blog. Recently, I published an article to Entrepreneur that was the top tech post of the day, and would love to create content that drives more traffic for Ring. Mind if I send over some content ideas? Thanks, Isaac. That's it. Notice how quickly the cold emails can come together if you do the work. Once you've done the research, once you've done the work, writing the actual email itself is easy. Before, long email, not clear on the value, no backstory. After, short email, very clear on the value. Clear case study shown. Cold email, torn down. If you want me to look at your cold email campaigns, then join Email 10K, which is our private community of entrepreneurs. You can do that at email10k.com. Talk to me every single week. Every Wednesday, I'm there to answer your questions. I'll tear down your cold email campaigns, etc., and help you grow your SaaS or agency. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Let me know down below if there's an email that I should tear down next, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.